Hello students, today we're going to unlock some of the secrets of the sound spelling cards. Let's take a look at the first one. Now, this little yellow part here is called the sound spelling box. And inside the box are the ways to spell the sound of each card. If it has vowels in it, the vowels are always this red color. Now inside the apple card, you see that there is only one sound spelling for the A sound. So when we say the card, we say the name of the card, apple, sound A, spelled A. Let's take a look at a consonant card. You see that inside the sound spelling box for the bat card, the letter is black. That's because it is a consonant, and of the 26 letters of our alphabet, 21 of them will be black because 21 are consonants. Let's say this one to practice. Bat, sound B, spelled B. Not all of the sound spelling cards only have one letter in them though. Some look like this. Look at our camel card. There are 3 different sound spellings for this K sound, and one of them has this funny red box. Well, let me explain this secret to you. This little red box stands for something called short vowel. The only sound that will come before a CK sound spelling for K will be a short vowel sound. A, I, A, or So when we say this card, we're going to say it a little differently. Camel, sound K spelled C, short vowel CK, or K. Now here's another one. The dolphin card. It shows that there are 2 ways to make this sound spelling. Let's take a look at it. Dolphin, sound D, spelled D, and sometimes ED at the end of a word. It says D. How do I know that? Because this line means that there have to be some letters before this for this to make the sound. Now here's one more thing. One more little clue is hidden in these. This is another vowel, I can tell because this is red. Do you see that there are 2 sound spellings? Egg, sound E, spelled E, or EA. Now, the letter that's listed first is always the most common sound spelling. So if I'm trying these sounds in a new word, or if I'm trying to spell a word, I'm going to probably go with the first one because I have a better chance of it being correct. Well, those are the tips and tricks today for the sound spelling cards. In another video, I'm going to run you through all of the sound spelling cards from Apple to Zipper. And then in another video, we'll go through all of the sound spelling cards that go after that.